Exactly, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Look at the difference in markup between a laptop sleeve and a t-shirt. A t-shirt, you're making $7 or €7. With this, with a laptop sleeve, you're making €20 profit. Maybe a little bit less with shipping, but the margins are so much higher with these products. Hey guys, what is going on? It's Hamish from Income Stream Surfers. Today's video I'm going to talk about profit margins and why it's actually much better to do a different product other than t-shirts. The t-shirt profit margin is about $7 if you include free shipping, which is okay, but I mean if you get some returns or whatever it might be, you are in trouble. So what can you do instead? Well, I've been having a look, and I think it's good to look for kind of trending things, new things. So you can click on. I clicked on this little thing at the top here. Jump on the loungewear trend. So let's just go back on here, and then what I want to do is click on new products and see what is new. T-shirts, obviously, sweatshirt, you could look at selling sweatshirts instead of t-shirts. Baseball caps, pretty good. But so I would just look through these products honestly and just see what there is, because okay, Champion products is pretty interesting. Oh, Champion is a brand. Okay, this is really interesting to me. I would definitely look at this further if I was you. Fulfilled in 3 countries worldwide, very interesting. Branding options, embroidery. So yeah, this is something if you wanted to create a, I guess these are ponchos, packable ponchos, right? Yeah. And how much do they sell for? Let's go on Etsy. Packable coat. 52. It's the same product. It's €23 profit. Insane. They don't actually have many sales looking though. Okay, let's try a packable poncho. Oops. Okay, poncho is this specific material. I didn't even realize that. They don't have many sales. Oh, okay, that one does. Doesn't have very good profit margins though. Okay, well that's could be an interesting one. I'm not really interested in embroidery though, because I don't understand it basically. So I'm really not sure what to do with it. Backpack, again, I would be very interested in this. Is this embroidery? Yeah, embroidery. That's not what I want. Let's have a look at gifts, see what we can find. Ensure ultimate safety with a lightweight laptop sleeve. The thing is, I really like these kind of keywords personally. Is it embroidery? No, it's not. Good. Okay, so this is very interesting to me. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the keyword laptop sleeve and we're going to use my favorite method, which is search operators. So we put site etsy.com in URL search slash search question mark and in title laptop sleeve. What does this mean? This means only show us results from etsy.com, only show us results that have search question mark in the URL, only show us results that have laptop sleeve in the title. So as you can see, this means that it shows us only search result pages on Etsy that have laptop sleeve in the title. As you can see here, it says phone case because I haven't pressed enter. Let's hit enter, and it doesn't have many good results, so we'll get rid of this and see what happens there. Okay, so let's just take this as an example. Llama laptop sleeve doesn't actually have that many results. They're selling for about 27, 23, 37, 36. Let's go back. 16 euros plus shipping will be about 20 euros. So if we were selling for 37, like this guy or person, or 42, like that person, 37, 37. Okay, so it's about 17 euros profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make I'm not actually going to make a spreadsheet. You guys can do this yourselves, okay? First one, laptop case, took me about 5 minutes to find a product that has a nice profit margin. And yeah, I found a keyword also very quickly. Another good thing is, like, if you type in horse t-shirt, it's going to come up with how many results? Like 18,000. If you type in horse laptop sleeve, it comes up with 300 results. Are you kidding me, guys? What are we doing? I've been doing everything wrong, honestly. This is blowing my mind right now. Let's have a look at another product, but yeah, you get the idea. If you want to stay to look at another product, feel free. If you've got the info that you need, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, how big are these though? They're really small, but I mean, it would be nice. Oh, you can get bigger ones. Interesting. Okay, so you can put this into your Etsy system. So 24 by 36 poster. How much is that on Etsy? 24 by 36 poster framed. Okay, so these will all have ascending and descending prices, I guess. Is this just a poster frame? Cool, I guess. Size. All they're doing is just reselling. Oh my god. Oh no, it's walnut. Okay, and what's Printful's? Older, semi-hardwood, renewable rainforests. Okay, interesting. I think you can probably get a really good. I think you can probably get a really good margin on these guys. So let's see, framed poster. So this is something that will have a lot more results, obviously. But let's just have a quick look. 1.5k, not too many, to be honest with you. 1940s framed art. Thousands of results, okay. Feminist art framed. 2.6 thousand results. I don't know what that means. Okay. Some kind of meme. Okay. You get the idea, guys. You can scale this easily by just using the integration. What do you mean it's not available? What was that? Cat's prayer for grieving humans is not available. But why? Oh, that's why I've been getting less results. Oh, damn it. I did that last time as well. Let me, hang on, guys. Oh, no, never mind. This is ships globally, Llama laptop case. Okay, I'll keep my, oh no, ships to United Kingdom, get rid of that. Okay, yeah, it's the same. So I'm keeping that keyword, and I'm keeping the point that I just made. Okay, this could be potentially really good. Might be copyright problems. Okay, so fair warning, you might, if you go through this is just an example with very low results, but there will be problems with copyright, most definitely. So just be very careful with this if you do this specific keyword. But yeah, it's, I mean, something like that, I don't think can even be copyrightable, but you know, feel free to shout at me in the comments, as I know someone will, telling me that I'm ruining people's lives by telling them to do copyright content, even though I constantly tell people not to do copyright content. Something like this is actually in the public domain, although actually I don't know, because Picasso didn't die that long ago, so maybe he's not. Yeah, just go through this, guys. You get the idea. Framed alcohol ink. I don't even know what that means. 1,000 results though, so I wouldn't bother. Yeah, this is really interesting to me, guys. I'm going to look at this further myself, and I'm going to find some interesting higher margin products. Basically, that's my idea. Let's just click on this one. I'm interested. 102 euros for some twigs. I mean, really? Is that where we're at? Maybe I'll just sell these instead. Like, screw print on demand. This is where the money's at, guys. Get some twigs, put them together. Jobs are good, and see you in the next video. Peace out.